Story time. Meet the characters. Wild worm, white wolf, yawning yak, excellent fox, Zippy Zebra.
Hello, excellent fox. I can't stop yawning. Can you help me?
Sorry, dear. I am an excellent scientist. I can only teach you about science.
Hello, wild worm. I can't stop yawning. Can you help me?
Sorry, Yawning Yak. I am a wild firefighter. I can only put out fires.
Excuse me, white wolf. I can't stop yawning. Can you help me?
Sorry, my friend. I am a good doctor. I can only help sick people.
Hey there, Zippy Zebra. I can't stop yawning. Can you help me?
Good to see you, Yawning Yak. Of course. I am a busy zookeeper. I help animals in trouble. Welcome to my zoo. This is Baker Bear, Singing Seagull, Racing Rabbit, and Curious Cat, who is a chef.
Nice to meet you, Yawning Yak. I can teach you how to bake.
I can teach you how to sing.
I can teach you how to run.
I can teach you how to cook.
Wow, I am not bored anymore.